This is a 2024 foot Coachman. Straight ahead is the stove, cabinets above, and you have your sink area, the double sink area, cabinets below, and you have your bed, which opens up into a nice sized bed. It's like a futon with a large picture window above it, and again storage above that area. Across from the couch you have your dinette, which is a nice size with a big window. Straight ahead is your bedroom area. It's a walk-around queen bed. Windows on both sides. Storage on the top. Going to the back of the unit, you have a bathroom in the back. The medicine cabinet above the sink. Nice size sink with quite a bit of cabinet below. Tub shower combined. With a ceiling fan. And you also have a large hanging closet. This does have some issues, that's why it's called a Handyman Special. It does have some floor issues where this discolored, so it needs some fixing.